In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it. Then to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. To manage wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and operate all of those however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!